welcome back to Mirror and Thread. I'm starting out my morning as I do every morning with some baby snuggles and some baby playtime, and it is just the best. It's hard to get anything done with this girl around because she is just getting to be so much fun. She'll be 3 months next week. But I was gonna tell you guys, we love our little Love Every play kit box. So they do a subscription, or you can just order the different play kits. But these are all of London's favorite toys. So the one this time had like little rattles that she loves, and it had this super cute book that she's also very fascinated by because it's got lots of fun colors and stuff in it. Had a little mirror that you can hang on the wall that she's very into, some black and white cards. And then they also give you little developmental things to be expecting and ways that you can engage those brain changes through play. So I will put a link for our Love Every stuff down below. What do you think, girl? You like those pretty colors? Yeah. Today I have a Amazon haul planned for you. So this is kind of a random hodgepodge of things. I'm actually going to show you the set that I'm wearing first. This is a perfect little like lounge around the house, just chilling in set. And then I've got some fun dresses and just some other practical spring and summer pieces. So random assortment of things that I've ordered from Amazon in the past month or so. So everything will be linked in the video description. I'll link our Love Every stuff and then of course all of the outfits as well. And we will get started. So as I mentioned, this is the first outfit that I'm going to share with you. This loungewear set is an Amazon find and it is so comfy and cozy, and you get both pieces when you order this one. They come as a set and I think it's like $27, so really good price on this one. This also comes in a tank top version, so if it's a little warm where you are or you don't like sleeping or lounging in long sleeves, they do have the exact same fabric makeup, same brand, in a tank version. So I will link both of those for you. But this is like a really lightweight waffle knit material. So it's not thermal, like a thick thermal that's going to be too hot to wear in the spring. And I am loving this color right now. I'm seeing this color everywhere. I think it's so much fun. And I also like that this is loungewear that you can lounge around the house in or wear to sleep at night for pajamas. But also these are totally functional pieces if you break them apart and wear them with something different. So I would definitely do this long sleeve top just with a pair of denim shorts or jeans. And then you could even do the little drawstring shorts just with a little tank and some sandals. And you have a casual outfit there too. This one does run on the smaller side, so I would say especially if you're between sizes, size up. You might want to size up anyways. I am wearing the medium and the shorts are plenty tight, so I would err on the side of sizing up with this set. Okay, this is kind of a fun, unique piece. So this is a swim cover-up. That's what it's marketed as. You could definitely wear this one in other ways as well. So it's this really, really lightweight, kind of bouncy, easy fabric on a button down. So it's not crisp like your classic button down. So this one is really movable, very lightweight for the pool or for the beach. And this one also is going to dry a little quicker than your classic button down as well. I love the like sizing of this one, the style of it. It's nice and flowy. So I also think this would be fun. I've been seeing people style these with like a big wide belt around them. It's kind of a fun swim look if you wanted to dress it up a little bit. You could definitely get away with wearing this with some denim shorts too. I would just tie up the bottom of it. Personally, I would not actually wear this as a dress. Some of you might. I have seen it styled that way on some other people. It would be pretty short in my book for a dress, but I think it's perfect as a little swim cover up, and you could definitely do it with jeans or leggings or something too. Next is this perfect little white dress. I have said a million times that having some spring dresses on hand is perfect right now, and especially white ones. I know there are lots of brides out there, maybe rescheduled weddings from last year, so this would be a great one to have on hand if you're a bride too. Or if not, this one also comes in some other really pretty colors. I know it comes in a really pretty like periwinkle blue and a coral color, and this is just a really classic silhouette. This is not going to go out of style out anytime soon, so you'll be able to wear this for a couple years, I think. And it is just a little eyelet dress. It's got the flutter sleeve and then a little ruffle along the bottom, and this one is lined through here, and then the back of it is not lined, so you would probably want to wear like one of those sticky bras or a lower strapless bra, or at least a nude bra. Just an FYI on that one. And then this one runs true to size. I have my normal size small on this, including a couple little wardrobe basic pieces along with some of the trendier things that I've purchased recently from Amazon. So these are actually in my last video, the Walmart workwear haul. If you missed that, you can check these out styled a completely different way. I did them casually today with just a graphic tee and some sandals, but I have done them with a button down, a blazer. You can make these work for workwear as well. So very versatile little pant here. These are a drawstring, and this fabric is kind of like a silky, lightweight fabric. So these are not like a classic cotton sweatband. So even though they are drawstring, I feel like you can get away with dressing these up a little bit more. And they do have the pocket on the back that makes them look a little bit more like a dress pant. So these are really, really comfortable. They have cuffs rolled in at the bottom, so I did roll them an extra time because I'm 5'3", but these are sewn in, so you don't have to worry about that coming unrolled, and I have the medium in these. I would put this dress in the same category of wardrobe basics. These are actually both daily ritual finds, and I have a couple more daily ritual finds. One of my favorite Amazon brands. If you've never heard me talk about them, they have such good wardrobe basics, and they are all very, very comfortable and fantastic quality. So this dress is kind of like a sweatshirt dress, but it's a thinner, kind of like a terry type material on the inside here. So it's not real heavy for spring either. I feel like this is the perfect way to be able to do the little puff sleeve trend without having to wear something that's got that kind of crispy fabric, you know what I'm talking about, that is not quite as comfortable. This is the most comfortable thing I've ever seen that still gives you that dramatic sleeve. So I love this one. I think it's really fun just to do with sneakers. You could definitely get this dressed up for workwear as well. And this is that really stretchy, bouncy, very, very soft fabric. So I sized up to the medium in this one as well because I thought that this fabric might be a little bit clingy to the skin, which it is, and I wanted more straight lines on the dress instead of like clinging to the skin bodycon look. So you might just be aware of that in sizing. If you run between sizes and you want it to fit like it does on me, I might size up in this one. Here's another really fun dress option. This one's a totally different vibe than the last one. This is more beachy, travel dress, date night dress, that kind of thing. So this is a smock top strapless one, and then it is a midi maxi dress. It's got the tiered bottom. The only thing I will say with this one, sizing wise, is if you have a larger chest, I would probably size up in this one. This little smock top runs pretty tight. I mean, you can see how small that is on there, and I had it stretched fairly tight on me. This was the small. So if you run between sizes, I would get the bigger one. This comes in lots of beautiful color options. I really like this kind of peachy color. I feel like this is one of the more on the neutral side of floral dresses, but they had some really pretty bright colors too. Such a fun piece here. This is a little romper for spring and summer. I don't wear rompers that often just because they can be a little hard to get in and out of and go to the bathroom in, but I really like these for date night or for vacation. One of those pieces that is photographs really well and is going to be a little bit of a statement piece. It might not be one of your everyday pieces that you grab, but this one's really affordable, so I think for a statement piece it's kind of fun to have something different. So this one, it kind of has the look of a dress, of a mini dress. So it's got this top layer over the top that looks like a dress, and then on the bottom layer is where it's got the romper. So again, this is a nice alternative to our Oklahoma winds for date night when I want to wear something that looks like a dress, but I don't want to have to worry about the wind. This makes a nice alternative. I got the medium in this one and would suggest sizing up one in this. Another daily ritual find here, I have this exact top in a short sleeve version as well that I've had for several years. I love these as layering pieces. Layering is huge in the spring, and this is a really nice one because it's so long. So this is like a tunic tank. So this one works perfectly with leggings. So I also love the idea of this one as a workout top. You could always tie the top of it up a little bit if you wanted a different look. You could front tuck this one really easily, but it's going to come down long in the back and cover your booty if you are wearing biker shorts or leggings. So lots of versatility with this one. Really good basic to have in your closet, and these are so soft. I am always all about a little pull-on short for summer, especially summer, in the spring as well, but I start getting where even denim shorts, I just don't really like wearing them in the summer when the weather gets really warm. I find them to be quite uncomfortable, so I always opt for a little drawstring short like these. So this is a linen blend short. These are, again, Daily Ritual. Very comfortable. These are really lightweight. These come in a couple of other color options, and the fit on these, I would say, is true to size. I have the medium in these, and they are plenty loose. And actually, I guess these are Amazon Essentials. So similar to Daily Ritual, lots of good wardrobe basics with Amazon Essentials as well. Last one of the Amazon finds, and then I'm going to share my deals of the week with you, and I've got some great ones to share today. So these are a fun little, kind of like a gym short. Again, a drawstring short, but the linen ones, you could definitely dress up and do more for like a dressed up casual outfit. These are straight up like workout shorts, or you could definitely do these just for casual outfit too, which I intend to do. These really impressed me. I was not sure what to expect with the fabric and everything. When I opened these, I was like, okay, yes, I'm definitely keeping these. They're so comfortable. So this is a really soft, kind of a stretchy, bouncy fabric. They've got the black stripe on the side and then along the bottom here, and then they have a little like detailing on the drawstring as well. But these are crazy comfy. They kind of have like a moisture wicking feel about them, so I feel like they're going to be fantastic when the weather gets really warm and I'm sweating a lot and running around with a baby this summer. This will be my first summer figuring out how to do mom life and what to wear for that, so I think these are going to come in handy for that. So I did get the medium in these. If you're between sizes, again, I would get the bigger one. Now for the deals of the week. So this is kind of a random one that we're starting with, but this little handheld steamer is on deal today and from Amazon. And this is one of my top 5 like most used Amazon products of all time. I love this thing. After I purchased this, I straight up threw my iron away, the ironing board, the whole mess of that, and I have only ever used this thing for getting wrinkles out of my clothes since. So it's so convenient. I like that this one is small so I can travel with it, and obviously the top comes off too, so it's even smaller when you throw it into a suitcase. And it doesn't even hold that much water, so you can see it's not that much, but this will last quite a while. So for instance, I was able to steam all of the clothes. Just got that all over myself. I was able to steam all of the clothes for the haul today just using one fill up. So it lasts quite a while. Very good find, and I think you'll get some use out of this one. Next up, this is a huge sale that you definitely need to know about, and if you see anything you love, snag it quickly because this sale is for today only. It actually ends on Friday. So this is Wayfair. They're doing up to 80% off all kinds of things. So they've got patio furniture, area rugs, living room furniture, dining room, all kinds of things, little accent pieces, and they are up to 80% off. So for instance, I saw a really nice patio set of a chair, 2 chairs, and a table that's very cute. They're kind of that wicker look, and they have the cushions and everything, and they're down to 79% off. So they had been like $2,600, now they're $500 something. So insane prices on these things, and now is the time to snag them if you've been keeping your eye out for good prices on furniture. Both of my favorite pairs of sunglasses are from Diff, and they are running a buy one get one free sale right now. So you've probably seen these in every single video that I've done since I purchased them. I think in November, December, somewhere around there, I purchased these. The quality on these is really good for the price, especially when you can do buy one get one free. So I am linking both of these down there. They both come in different color options as far as the frames go, the metal goes. So I like these for more casual outfits, and then these I usually do for more dressed up looks, but really good quality sunglasses and great price on these. Another great deal, American Eagle is doing, actually Aerie, is doing 30% off their leggings right now, and I love their leggings. I have several different styles of them. Some of the ones that I have are several years old, so they aren't still on the website, so I don't have a pair to show you, but I linked some down in the description that I'm really loving and that look very, very flattering. But these are really good quality legging. Price is unbelievable on these, plus you're getting the 30% off, and I think you'll be really impressed with them. Last deal of the day, Gap is doing 40% off site-wide right now, plus an extra 10% off, which is insane. I ordered London a couple little things from there. I ordered myself a couple little things that have not come in yet, but really good prices, and I always love shopping at Old Navy and Gap. They have great sales, and the quality of their items always holds up as well. That's it for our Amazon haul. Thank you so much for watching. You can find links to everything in the description down below, and we will see you next time.